welcome to Farzaan FunZone. My name is Farzaan and this is my sister Dafia. Today we are going to the Best Buy shop.
Going to Bodhi and toy, right?
Yeah, we're going to get lots of stuff over there, including toys. To this fun song. 3, 2, 1. Shop, and we are going to buy a lot of fun things including toys, so please like and subscribe and share the video and also stay tuned. Let's go inside. Best Buy is a big shop. Make a list of things to buy. Stick to the list. Avoid making an expense. Laptop, tablet helps in learning independently. Techno Gadgets has made life easier, faster and more fun-filled. Do you agree, guys? I give you guys one small tip. Don't let the gadgets control you or distract you. You should always be the master of the gadgets and remember to make new things with them, guys. Look everyone, so many cool stuff. Look at that big cool TV. Nintendo Switch. There are lots of games to play in this, like this Mario game. Look, this is how we play it. Oh. Oh. I finished. This really cool game. Look at my sister Dafia. She's over there. It seems like she's trying to find a toy, but she's really confused what to pick. I wish I could get this Lego City one. It's so cool. Look at it. It even has a cat on it. And it comes with lots of sets. Can I buy this? Okay. Look at this cool new Lego set. And so many Lego sets over here. So many techniques. And there are lots of board games, and there are also a game called Battleship. But most of this place is filled with Lego sets. Okay, come on, let's go to the next toy section. I want to get this one too. And also this one, and this one, and this one. This one, I want to get everything here. There's a lot of toy cars, like this really big one. We also have a lot of car sets or marble drums. We have so many of these marble drums, and we even have the cars. Look at this big Jeep. It's so cool to be here. Daddy. shopping, but I got to go. But please like and subscribe the video. I hope you like it. Bye guys. Please remember to have some fun.